Another peculiar feature of the Hittite monarchy is the strongly independent position of the queen. Her title, Tawonanas, was inherited only in the death of a predecessor. Thus, so long as the queen mother lived, the wife of the reigning king could only be styled the king's wife. A strong and not always amiable personality seems to have been characteristic of the Hittite queens. The widow of King Suppiluliumas especially caused so much trouble to her stepson Morsilis II that he was obliged to expel her from the palace, and so to become the cause of her death, a cause célèbre, which we still find weighing on the conscience of Hattusilis III, nearly half a century later. The latter's queen, Puduhepa, played a prominent part in affairs of state and is regularly associated with her husband in all state documents. She even conducted an independent correspondence with the Queen of Egypt. She is shown sacrificing to the great goddess of the Hittites at Ferahetin or Fraktin, and the text of the treaty with Egypt testifies that she possessed her own official seal depicting her in the embrace of the same goddess.